Looking for the best 1440p gaming PC under 90K in 2025? Let's go. At the heart is the Ryzen 5 9600X, a next-gen 6-core CPU built to crush gaming and multitasking. Paired with the MSI B650M gaming Wi-Fi motherboard, giving you AM5 future-proofing, solid VRAMs, and built-in Wi-Fi. For graphics, the real MVP, the RX 9060 XT 16GB. This card dominates 1440p ultra settings, delivering smooth frame rates in the latest AAA titles. We're pairing it with 32GB of DDR5 6000 MHz RAM. So forget lag or slowdowns. This thing flies. Storage? A 1TB Kingston NV3 NVMe SSD. Lightning fast boot and space for all your favorite titles. Powering the rig is the MSI A650BN PSU, efficient and reliable. To keep it chill, the Deepcool AK400 cooler does the job quietly and effectively. And to wrap it all up, the AnEsports Crystal Z2 case, giving you sleek design plus solid airflow. All of this under 90,000 Indian rupees. A killer build for 1440p gaming in 2025.